Okay, let's figure out which one is the only time. Let's get over here. We will figure out which one is correct. So just and only are similar when we use them as adverb. In this case, for just, there is no more than one. And for only, it means exclusive. So what does the word exclusive mean? It means one of a kind. If it's exclusive, nothing else can come around it. So if you go to an exclusive club, let's say, maybe the only people who are wearing white shirts or blue shirts are allowed to come in. So the adverb for just, no more than this. So no more than 5, no more than 1. So when we say, for an example, they just want money, no more than money. It's not your brain, not your talents, not your good looks. It's just the money, just the money. Maybe you see how I dropped the word only. I can also say they only wanted my money because the scale is balanced here. When we talk about only, exclusive, here is an example. Exclude, we have only 2 tickets left. All the tickets are gone except these 2. There are no more left. In this case, no more than. Yes, we can use them almost in the similar fashion. We have only 2 tickets left, exclusive, special. I'll just show this once again. But these ones are not similar. When we're looking at this particular case, when they're not similar, you cannot use the same words in the sentences that I provided over here because they won't make any sense. Let's look at the word just. In this case, it means exactly, exactly. So if I say, this vacation is just what I need, I cannot say this vacation is only what I need. It doesn't have the same meaning. That means exactly what I need. All right? Over here, let's just say it's just very recent, very close to now. So I can give you an example. I had just missed the bus. I cannot say I had only missed the bus. The time is here now, and the bus left 2 minutes before, so a short time from now. Only will not work here. And these are the 2 cases in which just differs from only. Good. Let's go over here. Couple more cases. And you can see why 60% of the time they're similar, but sometimes we cannot use them interchangeably because it will change the meaning of the sentence. So now, when we talk about only, it means one choice with adjective. Only. I cannot think of another word. It's just one. Just one. I can just put like the one. Only means the one thing. She was the only woman to love me, or he was the only man to love me. We're talking about exactly. It would not make any sense she was the just woman or he was the just man to love me. Only one. So there is no other word to replace only except only. Just doesn't work here. So let's look down here, another adjective for only, and it's the only choice. So this one says the only choice, the one. Here means you have more choices, but here only you can go in one direction. It's the only place I like to eat. I cannot make a choice. Maybe I'm a vegetarian. This is a good one. I am a vegan with gluten allergies and peanut allergies and lactose intolerant. So not so many restaurants are available. So some exclusive restaurant will be the only choice because I don't have any other choice. That's the only choice I can make. Cool? Okay, so let's look. So when we have adverb and adverb, then we can use them exclusive, and they are very, very interchangeable. But in this case, let's look here. When we have adverb and adjective, when we have adverb and adjective, it helps you to figure out whether you would be able to use them interchangeably or not. Cool? Okay. So it's only the beginning, and that's just the beginning, so you can use them interchangeably. So we have some homework to do or classwork to do, and before we do this, I will give you some more words. Just in the nick of time, I want to give you, ooh, it's upside down, a couple more usages for just. Let me find them. Okay, let's start with this one. So just one more. Just can be used for barely. Barely means by a little, not by, oh, I'm sorry, this one. I have just enough money to go, barely. I don't have much more. So I'm taking the bus, and the bus costs $1 or $1.25, and I have only $1.50. So that's not a lot of money. It's a very small amount of money, right? So you got $1, the bus costs, or you have $1.25, $1, and you have $1.50, the bus costs $1.25. You don't have a lot of money. You barely have enough. 25 cents difference, and you cannot take the bus. Okay? That means barely. Next is also an adverb use. Really, 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 or absolutely. Sometimes when we use just, we mean really or absolutely. Here is my example. That's just stupid. In other words, that's really stupid. That's absolutely stupid. And people will say that with that tone, right? You just got here? You really just got there? You really were here now? We already started? That's another way to use it. The tone will even change. That's why I like that one. That's just stupid. It's absolutely stupid. Okay. That's a little bit of a joke, but let's go back to real work, because we have 4 questions that we want to answer, and I'll be honest, there is one very tricky one, and we need to be very careful about it. Ready? Let's give it a try. First question. It was the blank choice she could make. It was the blank choice she could make. What would you say? It was the something choice she could make. Just or only? Correct. Only. It was the only choice she could make. You have no other options, or the options that were given to you were not pretty good. So that's the only choice you could make. And how about this one? Hold on. Look at the position. Adverb or adjective? So let's look. Number 7. That glass of water was blank what I needed. That glass of water was... So what do you choose? Yes, just what I needed. In this case, just means exactly. Remember we talked about adverb? Exactly. That was exactly what I needed. Just what I needed. Adverb usage. And it works. What about number 3? You are the blank person allowed here. Only or just? Only or just? Adverb or adjective? Be careful. Specific person. It's exclusive. Remember we talked about something being exclusive? So you're the only person allowed here. Cool. Now let's do the last one. It's a little bit tricky because depending on what you're looking at, answers can differ. Why don't you figure out? I will let you do this and I will not tell you what the answer can be. You're right, it can be both. It can be both. You can say just or you can say only. You can say there are only 5 tickets available or there are just 5 tickets available. Either word can be used in this sentence. All right, I will talk to you very soon. Bye-bye.